This is the ride right here at CCC, the Fall Century in Covington. Coming up on it.
All the way to the end. Thank you.
Good morning. So videotaping is 7:20. It starts at 8, so I got plenty of time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right,
hey,
Dennis. How you doing, man? It's Dennis, my friend right there.
How you doing,
man?
How you
doing, buddy?
Good.
Good. My friend Dennis right there. He rides a recumbent, but we're gonna be screaming on road bikes in about 30 minutes.
Love that sunrise, guys. What I like is the camaraderie, just the whole just togetherness, you know, and the social, you know, aspect of this, you know, meeting and greeting, and so it's a nice little setup they got. That's where I'm gonna go right now. Just check in and then get changed up. So it's just before the ride, and just really excited about it. So you ready, dude?
I'm ready, man. Morning, buddy. Just a little short, you know, sweat fest. But to clip it.
Yeah.
Head on the work after, so you know, it's like a Giro to me, you know.
Yeah.
Do a little 50-mile ride, get a little leg pumping, adrenaline.
Yeah.
Blood flowing a little bit.
It's a very modest.
It's a real fast ride, you know.
Yeah.
It's a real quick. In and out. Hit it and quit it.
And that's.
Hit it and quit it.
Yeah. In and out for 50 miles.
That's right.
All right. It's like this green butterfly and these red little flowers, and there's a cow pasture right there. And I think I missed the turn, but making the most out of it. This is just gorgeous. Alright, so I just finished the ride. I did my 25, and as you saw, it was just unbelievable. The sun is absolutely blazing right now, so I'm going to get out of the sun real quick because it's hot. It's like the sun's right here. But you know, Evan should be back soon, and it was a great ride. The scenery was second to none. I don't know if it was the best ride, but it's up there in terms of the scenery. It was just beautiful, beautiful, just long roads, and there was like just different things like little ponds and whatnot, and just, yeah, I mean, saw a lot of cow pastures, cows and whatnot. So anyhow, we're going to get Evan when he comes back, but I enjoyed it. It was a great ride.